dude, it's Vlogmas. It's gonna be snowing on us right now. I'm just gonna let this roll. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are doing another Wish install on the Civ. I know it's been a while. Emerson's back in action. Happy little Emerson. Today we're installing something that, I don't know why I just did this. That was super like unattractive to watch. Today we're doing something like super ricer hot boy. It's like could possibly be the riciest mod we've done, but it could also be like the sickest mod we've done. I feel like this is a very suitable mod for the Civ. Wouldn't you say?
Suitable?
Suitable. Like for the Civic's time, like when the Civic was like a new car and people were modding it, this is something they would have done to it.
240's getting it also.
Oh, all the cars are gonna get it, boys. All the cars are gonna get it. But today what we're doing, that was my phone.
Crack, shattered.
Thank God, dude. Brand new too. Imagine if that shattered, I would have been so pissed. Try that again. Today we're gonna be installing Underglow on the Civ. We picked up Underglow on Wish for like 20 bucks. We picked it up a couple months ago. It just got here a couple weeks ago. What did you just say?
I could be a minion.
Oh, okay, you minion. Anyways, we have Underglow for the Civ. I think this is gonna be super sick. Like I said, it's something that like the tuner scene or whatever you want to call it, like this is like some Fast and Furious type stuff. Like they used to do this all the time. It's kind of phased out, and we were at H2O, right? Oh my God, he's legit being a minion. What are you doing? Why are you a minion? You're so dumb. You have yellow fluffs in your hair, dude. You look like an idiot. Yeah, but I don't want to look like an idiot in the internet. Idiot. I don't know, it's sick, and I feel like it's kind of coming back, and I would like to be a part of that. So we picked up Underglow and Wish. It was 20 bucks. Today we're gonna install in the Civ. You want to open that? I think it's pretty straightforward, but
wow.
Should be 4 strips. It should be 2 for the sides and then 2 for the front.
Is it like meant for a car or like just?
Yeah. No, it's meant for the car. The sizing was like 2 longer ones for the sides and then 2 shorter ones for the front and back. Like it's sold as Underglow for a vehicle.
M3 tape, not 3M.
I know. Here you go, guys. You can just use this M3 tape. It's you know, 3M's cousin. This is like one of the nicer Wish products we got. We have, it like comes with like this connector which has all the wires, all 4 things coming off it. I expected from Wish to just be like 4 separate strips and like a bunch of wiring you have to do yourself. You want to try and lay it out? Let's see if I can grab the camera. Actually, they're dropping off the tripod. Oh, we got it. One of you guys was right. Let me tell them this first so I don't forget. One of you guys was right, and yeah, dude, that's too short.
Here, go in the middle.
Okay. So that'd be you're at the rear. My front, no, dude, my front would be right in the middle of the wheel. It's
fine. No, it's fine right there. You'll see it.
Yeah, but where will it go? To the bottom of the oil pan? There's nowhere for it to go there. Anyways, I was just trying to tell you guys this. You guys were right. Oh, my phone case ripped on the back, dude. It did land on the back, and then it flipped to its face. The wheel, what happened was, it got wet. Obviously, it rains here all the time. Then it got really cold the other night, and water probably got in the crack and expanded it, and then it exploded. And then it started leaking, because now that it's warmer, and the wheel's in the warm garage, it's not leaking anymore. It's still cracked, so we still have to fix it. But it's not like the tire hasn't gone flat again, so I think it was just water got in there, it froze, and we will fix it, I promise. We're really hyped on the Underglow, so we're doing the Underglow first. The longer ones are front and rear, that's what it says. But I don't know how it's supposed to be front and rear.
Okay, this front and rear, or do you want that front and rear?
I'd prefer to have the short ones front and rear if we can. Just for straight up light output on the sides. If we can't make it happen, then we can't make it happen. Yeah, it's gonna be a spicy wiring job right by the exhaust. Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit of a spicy one. Nope, wait, you pulled me. You pulled me!
Can I get any more? Oh, for no. No, I need about 50 more inches.
We'll do it the other way around then. Yeah. With the shorter on the sides?
Yeah.
Holy, this is gonna be long. But at least we can get it like right back here on like the actual bumper. Okay, can you see my thingy? Hello!
Feed it through the top side of it if you can.
Oh, hey. Hey. What's so weird? Okay, do you need anything through this hole, or am I good to come back down?
You can go back down.
Alright. You're working on this.
Is there a lot of slack or what?
Up in the car?
Yeah.
There's a decent amount.
That's enough. I think that's gonna be enough slack.
Oh yeah, we'll have plenty, because it still has this whole shebang. Honestly, these little ones on the sides will probably be enough. We'll just put them like right here. Vlogmas has only been like 10 days, but it feels like months. It literally feels like months since I've opened the hood on this car. I miss it.
Why would you Snapchat You dumbass.
This is gonna look hella sketch, but that's okay. It's a Civic. Can you even see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it comes out of there. It's either my face squished into the screen, or just hope for the best. Okay, we'll go that way.
Like whisper into it.
Go that way. And up and over that. And then zap strap to the rack. And then
You zap strap to the rack?
It's all good. The rack doesn't move. We're going over here. Beside the oil pan there.
And we got it coming over here. Down like a little loopy thing. We're gonna tuck that somewhere up there.
Snips.
The snipes? Yeah, you got them. On the bracket, and then underneath there. I gotta figure out what to do with this. Probably just gonna try and tuck it up there somewhere.
Emerson had a bright idea that we probably it's a good bright idea. Before we finish, we should test this to make sure it works. Okay, you ready? I got nothing. What do I got? A color?
Is there a battery in there?
There was a slip that when you pull it, the battery's supposed to come out. It's a brand new battery. Oh, I know. Give me one moment here. One moment for technical difficulties. You know the clip that clips the wiring harnesses together?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need to clip that one back together, don't you? I don't want your negativity, all right? Wish is a quality company. They wouldn't let me down like this. Still obviously having some issues. See you, buddy. Thanks for your help. Nice sweater.
Oh.
Emerson wired it up to like the radio wiring, so he wired it to the constant and the negative for the radio. Because our thought was we're just not getting enough power from wherever else we were. That's why Emerson's a firefighter, because I literally would have had it, the way I would have had it run is like the keys have to be on, the car has to be on. My car just got full and it cut me off. I don't know what I was saying last, but I know, I know. Basically we want it so that I can just walk up, like I could be sitting at Starbucks and just press this on, the underglow comes on and that's it. I mean, the remote's not that good. We still have to walk right up to the car and do it, but at least it won't be killing the car. But we put it on music mode because Emerson wanted to see, so like it came with like the music box and we didn't know if it would work. Check this out. Watch this. Like you can see it picking up some of my voice right now. Watch, I'll put on a song. It just flashes like crazy, and then this is mode 3. It like switches them back and forth. This is mode 2. It's more like bassy. And then mode 1 is just like, dude, that's gonna be wild under the car. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost ready. There's like, this side is done. Emerson's just trying to figure out the back, because the back has like a weird bumper situation where there's like nowhere to put it. But because it's M3 tape, not 3M, because it's from Wish, we also use like zip ties just to make sure it doesn't fall down. And that way, if like the tape drops or whatever, the zip ties will at least catch it, and then we can work on a fix. We just stuck it up, and like the tape holds it up. And then what we did, if you like look close, there's like zip tie here, and a zip tie here, and you like do it in between the lights so we don't lose any light. And oh, I probably could have showed you over here. Actually, probably it's a little easier to see because the zip ties are still hanging. But like, there's one here, and then we just try to do like 4 on each side. Or 5. So the sides are done. The front one is like kind of mangled, but like it's up there, same thing. It's got the zip ties and everything, so that one's good. So yeah, this is one of the really long ones, but unfortunately we're gonna have to cut it just the size of this inner bumper piece, which kind of sucks, but like it is what it is. It's the only way to make it work because there's nothing else that's a straight stretch in back here that would work. So we're cutting like a little bit off of it. Kind of sad, kind of whatever. And then same thing, we're just gonna put the zip ties across, and then we should be done, boy. Then we're the hot boy rice boys. Imagine you cut it and it stopped working. It's good.
Oh baby.
Oh damn, boy. We are not just a rice cooker anymore. Okay, all these wires are tucked. Everything is good. The rear is all done. Same thing. We just put like the zip ties, like I said. I just don't think I showed you guys yet. He basically found like a groove and ran all the wires like straight up and down the center of the car, right in that groove. So like nothing will ever go near the exhaust. Everything is good. I pulled up a little bit of extras through the shifting column, so there's none hanging down below. Everything, all the extras are up inside the car now, so we're good. We're done. I'm gonna drop it off the jacks so that we can see what it looks like closer to the ground, because that's where it'll really be. Like when you guys see it, when you pull up to any car shows, that's where it's gonna be. It's gonna be on the ground. So I'm more stoked that the Wish Underglow even worked. Like the remote, Brad got his from Wish and the remote didn't work, and he was like warning us. He's like, yo, that remote's not gonna work. We're gonna have to hardwire it, and whatever color it is, it is. But I'm stoked the remote works. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Alright, we're gonna start with blue because I feel like this is the color that suits this car best. But we're definitely gonna have to come back and put on like the jump around mode. Alright, you guys ready for this? Dude, it's too dark for this, but like, okay, this is it with like a little bit of light. Yo, this looks so cool. This is such a ricer mop. Like, look how dope the blue looks with the seats. Like, look at that. That looks sick. But like, if you turn off the light, This thing, well, obviously for you guys it's just pitch black, but this looks so sick. Turning on the actual sieve lights gives us like just the right amount of light for it to look like it's nighttime. All right, that's way better. Check how that looks way better, dude. This is gonna be so sick. I wanna go get some rollers of this thing tomorrow once like, Emerson just left, he went back home, he has to go to work in the morning, but like, we definitely gotta go take some rollers. This is like, on the screen, it's looking really weird. It's like, I got like this hot spot right here. But in person, it stretches like nicely. You guys will see if you come see this car in person. Yo, this is so cool. It's like, yeah, it's a racer mod, but like, it's also not. This is jump 1. This is totally like a car show, just attention grabber. Like, you don't want to be that douchebag that's at the car show doing this, but like, at the same time, this is one of those moves you pull when you're pulling in. Like, I'll be pulling into a car show to see a bunch of you guys, and I'll totally just flick this on just to be like, oh, I don't know, I think it's sick. I think it looks super cool. This jump mode is like a little bit slower, and it goes through all of the colors. The other one didn't go through all of them, I don't think. This is so hot, dude. All right, just for you guys, I'm putting on a song so that you guys can see exactly how it goes to like the music. So it's gonna go to the music better when there's music coming through the speakers and the car is actually feeling it. But like for now, this will still give you probably a pretty good idea. Now this has like different modes, so some go better to treble, some go better to bass, some go better to like the vocals, but for now I have it on like the more bassier mode, so this is how it should look with the song that is playing right now if I turn up the volume for you guys.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Okay, and then this is it with it on the different mode. I'm not sure what the different modes do, but this is a different mode. Same song, I'll turn it up for you guys.
Today, got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record, I still count wins.
And keep in mind that this is it going from my phone, right? So when, like I said, when the speakers are on, the actual speakers playing through the car go to the music 10 times better, because the speakers will be sending like a way better decibels through the actual car. This is literally Fast and Furious in real life. This is too fast, too furious, boys. I hope you guys are stoked about this. This is like, this is one of those things you're either gonna love this or you're gonna hate this. Personally, I love this. The major things, sure, they're done, but there's still so many things that we have coming for this car. It's not done. I promise you it's not done. 20 bucks, Underglow works, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.